I'm just kidding, yep. Oh, it's my mom. Hi! Alright, in this video we're doing
Psych, we're not doing parkour. It's actually something.
Yay!
I already know what it is going to be.
We're
Try to get onto the top of that green stuff.
Oh, I know somebody has gone up though. It's hard. Dude, come here. Me and Aiden and Michael will just YouTube. We won't YouTube it. We're ball flipping. No, the ball's gone. There's a wall ball that landed up there. I ball flipped it and it landed up there. So, back with another video, guys. I'm just kidding. Oh, let's do some parkour now. Wasting time. We're 1 minute and 10 seconds of wasting time. Let's go. Let's go. I said let's go. Let's go. Go. Up there. Up there. I've never went up there before.
You got to slide down.
Ooh. So I said, take it easy, bro. Yo, I said, take it easy.
Guys, never try that. I'm just a trained professional.
Psych! You know. Get my blue bag. Put it back here. Okay. Now stepping on my camera. Alright. Go now! No hands, no hands. Let's go, let's go. Good boy. Go down the slide. Climb up the slide. And go back over. And bring it to me. Right up here. You know, I said take it easy. Let's go, let's go. Back, back, back. Oh, okay. Now you guys can come down on the side with me. Thank you. Andrew does parkour in this video. Maybe me.
Never try what I just did.
No, I go across there, no hands. Sometimes they go down. Just videotape me on the slide, okay? You see it?
Yeah, got it.
Videotape me on the slide. Yo, I said take it easy, bro. Look up here. Good night.
Wow.
Sorry.
10 billion hours later.
Hi guys, back to another video. Oh, wait, why am I up here? Why am I here? Just wait. I fell.
There we go.
I fell. Okay, I'm actually gonna jump down now. Oh, that wetness. Let's jump.
Where'd he go? So. Where'd he go, Brady?
Yo, videotape me right there. Let me see.
Go. Hi.
So that's what I do. See what you do again.
What?
See what you do again.
What do you mean? Do what I do.
Just do parkour, bro. Do what a man does. Oh,
You
don't do
want to see
parkour.
what I do?
What?
Do you actually want?
No.
Do you wanna? Okay. You say so? You say so, bro?
Do parkour.
This is trained for professional. I've trained, I fell off, I broke my arm, I've done this a bunch of times.
He slides with hands down. Then he comes up here. Then he goes down slide. He's down. Then you Yo, dude, do you want to do a challenge? Well, it won't work because this pole's too thick. Okay, so tick-a-ding.
You guys never tried it.
Okay, here, film me. No, film me.
Ready? I'm gonna go to that bar.
Dude, I can easily do that. I can skip 3 balls. People can do that. Here, film me. You got to. You got to. I'm doing the craziest thing ever. 2 balls. 0 balls. Okay, film me over here at the boat.
Just look at these guns I got.
Look at them. Look at them. Look at those.
Okay, what's Brady now?
Huh?
His zip ties.
This time it's
Wow, that's a great idea.
Yep.
Oh, you have a flashlight on your camera?
Yeah.
Nice.
Alright, face it at me. What's going on? I'm putting this on now. Okay, slip that in easily. Put my hand. Okay, I need help. I'll hold the camera. Put it in through.
Very far.
Yeah.
How far?
Right. Oh, you didn't do it.
But how do you get it off?
Then just hold it. Put it really tight. Yeah, okay, hold it. Okay. Watch this magic trick. Watch. I just clocked it. You guys will never know how it works.
Brady's magic. That's one thing to tell you about him.
Oh yeah, I love my magic. Like, you are not supposed to be out of these things, but geez, I don't know how to get out. Like, yo, I'm gonna zip tie my leg. If this fits about.
Probably won't.
Yo, I'm gonna zip tie my arm if this fits around across the wheel. Nobody will ever know how the secret does look. Yo, it's a take it easy.
I'm Brady's farting.
Ouch! That's tight. Now it's take it easy. Alright, 3, 2, 1. See, but it come off. All you gotta do is cluck and it will come off. You guys gotta try it. But make sure to have scissors if it doesn't work, okay?
Brady's trained with magic. I'm trained with skills.
I'm trained with skills too. Didn't you ever know that? Go. Just
Well, I'm a
yeet
pro.
that on. So then I'm like, no, I need that on. I'll be the one
Oh,
that.
viewers or whatever Brady calls them.
Guys. I call them guys. I don't know what I call you guys.
Brady.
Okay, so he's just cracking his fingers. Brady, this is what.
my bones
Okay,
are out
say what you were gonna say.
Oh, I think I broke my finger. My bones are out of place. Look.
Look, he was said that that Brady has a lot of skills with zip ties. Just look at this. Okay, film.
No, look. I think my finger's broken. JK.
That's why I caught J.K. Wolf. Your hands on the camera. Hold it. Face it at me. Cluck. They. Is it facing at this? Okay. Cluck. See it come off. All you gotta do is cluck it. All you gotta do. That's all you gotta do, boss. Like, yeah, that's all you gotta do. Let's zip tie you guys, bro. Let's zip tie my Podians.
Yelling when you can't crack your knuckles.
Yo, it's a okay, you guys are zip tied up. Now, pluck, wait. Ow, it hurt. Come on. You guys might say that it wasn't zip tied. It actually was. It was zip tied, right? Yep, it was zip tied. Even as the ball right there. Alright, should you film me again? So I have to do another trick that might get stuck here forever. Okay? Fox. Ow, that just broke my finger. I mean, Mom. Ow. I said, okay. Wait. What? Take it easy, bro. Help? Help right now? No help? Speed that mean. Speed that mean. Guess you whooped. And actually I did not even zip tie it. My hand's too big for around this pole. This is too small. Okay. Okay. Yay! Oh, take that? What do you want to do? I need
I'm gonna show our viewers how to do it.
how to do what? And pluck, but like
I've
can hit
tried
it
this a
cup.
bunch of times. Ready? Ready?
Huh? He's a trained daredevil. No one's kidding. Don't give him deals.
I'll do anything you guys want me to do.
Okay, give him deals then. like no.
Except like climb up there, cause I can't.
Yeah, he would if he can,
Yeah.
but he can't.
I have a little training course in my backyard.
Slide, that was fun. Okay, so this is what I'm doing, guys. Slide. This is my thing I love doing. I do this a lot, and it's fun. Oh, film me. This is fun and kind of dangerous because I can hit my head against the ground. Ugh. Okay, film me from up here. Film me. Okay, film me. Okay.
Here, I'll
So-
film you somewhere better. Hold it.
Okay, I'll bring it up there. Okay. And then do that.
It's getting really warm, so it'll be hard to see him probably.
Okay. 3. Yeah. Oh, hi, bag. I see you. Oh my God. Whoops. You gotta get muscles for that. Box one of my eyes for my shoes, so I got so much rocks in there. Jump! No, you don't have to. Get down. You need to do more stunts. Yeah, such a normal. Comment down below what you want me to do next. Oh, I know one. What?
Me, kids.
Follow him, kids. I say, I can't do no hands with something in my hands.
I like to jump.
Hey, guys, hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and peace out. Go subscribe to JK Wolf. Boy.
Middle of editing my video, and today look what I did with my zip tie and my balloon. Zip tied it to my hat. Now I got a balloon hat.